Are you tired of losing potential customers? Struggling to keep track of countless leads? Introducing Pipedrive's AI-powered Pulse feature, your ultimate sales prospecting solution. Imagine turning more leads into valuable opportunities effortlessly. With Pulse, you'll cut through the noise and focus on the prospects that truly matter. Spend less time sorting through leads and more time closing deals. Pulse automates your prospecting process, quickly identifying the most promising opportunities. Rank leads with AI scoring for smarter outreach. Discover who has the highest buyer intent and prioritize your efforts accordingly. Get actionable insights with AI summaries to gauge your closing chances. Focus on deals most likely to close and maximize your efficiency. Pipedrive's sales prospecting tools simplify lead management, offering metrics that drive better engagement. Don't waste time on ineffective leads. Experience the standout benefits of Pipedrive. Enhanced data analysis improves lead generation, while personalized outreach boosts conversion rates. Say goodbye to manual processes and hello to smarter sales with Pipedrive AI. Join countless satisfied users leveraging our seamless CRM. Ready to transform your sales strategy? Start using Pipedrive today.